Hello everyone, good day. So today I'll be teaching you how to get free Bitcoin. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make nothing less than $50 a day. I'll be teaching you how to make nothing less than $50 a day in this video. Okay, let's go through it. You are totally doing nothing. Like, you don't need to invest in it. All you have to do is do some simple small tasks and get free crypto. Okay, so you go to your browser, you go to www.coinpoint.in. I already have it here. You can see it, coinpoint.in. This is it. Yeah, please take note of this. Please kindly go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yes, this is my YouTube page. Thank you. Crown also. Kindly go and subscribe on my YouTube page. So welcome back. So on this site, you get to make free Bitcoin. You are totally doing nothing. You don't need to invest in it. You are not putting in money. It is totally free. All you just have to do is do some little tasks. It is very easy to do. First of all, you just need to sign up so you can become a member. And if you're already a member, you just need to log in, verify your Gmail, do the tax and earn. And the funny part is that you can withdraw your money and get paid instantly. You don't need to wait for, maybe they say refer 25 people to get paid. You don't need that at all. Yes, you can see that. You can still see more features whereby you can earn from. You can earn from so many things. You can earn by playing game, not just by doing simple tasks. You can earn also by playing video game. You can earn daily bonus, mining. There are different things you can do to earn. Yes, you can see them here. You can see them here. You can do different things to earn free Bitcoin. Not just only free Bitcoin, but different other coins. It depends on the coin you want. Yes, reason why you should join. Yes, these are the reasons why not just I but the company itself believe you should join. Unlimited earning. Like, you can earn any amount. There's no stopping points, like maybe where they will say you earn 1k per day. No, with this app you can earn $50 per day. There's nothing stopping you from that. Instant payment. The payment is fast and secure and instant. 56 cryptos supported. Not just Bitcoin but other cryptos are supported, just like your what are they calling it, we have other crypto coin other than BTC. We have the Ethereum, we have the Doge, or so on. Payment method. Yes, these are the payment method. As I said, you get paid with different method. You can see here we have the Bitcoin there. We have different method here to get paid. You can see it. Different method depends on how you want to get paid. These are the payment method, and it is instantly. If you want your money, you just withdraw it into your crypto wallet instantly. No stress. It is very easy. On here we can see people that are active. People are not sleeping on this. People are very active and people are joining per day. This is the total amount withdrawn so far from people who have earned. You can see it. They also have a Telegram channel where you can join for latest updates. So if you want to register, you just click this top button, these 3 dots here. You tap it. This is it. You see it, register. Then it verify your connection to know if you are not a bot or not. So you just wait for it. So you can see our connection is secure. So you input in your email, your username and your password. Then you do this, click on the upside down picture. You look for which of the picture is upside down, then you click it. Once you click it, you click on the sign up, and that's all about that. Do not use VPN, please. Do not use a VPN when connecting this. Do not create multiple accounts. Do not use temporary email, because if you try to, and by the time you lose access to your account, you will not be able to recover it. Take note of this, and you have to verify your Gmail after creating an account. It is very, very necessary. You need to verify it. So once you are done, you go back to your sign in. This is your sign in, and you log in your account. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I believe we all learn from it. These are payment proof from people who have withdrawn. You will see it today, April 16. You can see people who have withdrawn from this platform. So many people are making money. People are making millions, not just million. People are making billion also from this app, from this site. People are making it. People are making money from this site. You can see it. Statistic. I already showed the statistic of people who join and others, and how much they have withdrawn so far. I showed you, and I talked about that. User benefit, I also told you about the benefits of it. Instant payment, 56 crypto supported, limited earning. I showed you frequently asked questions. There are frequently asked questions which people ask, and I'm telling you, this is this is sure. It is 100% sure and secure. I know you'll be asking me, have you cashed out? Definitely yes. If I have not, I will not be telling you this. So please do so to help yourself also to earn free Bitcoin from this site, coinport.in. Okay, thank you very much.